my God. You're in the bike lane.
I'm moving my house in. I don't care.
You don't care. You don't care about our safety.
I'm moving my house in. Where am I supposed to park?
There's parking around the back. I know that for a fact. There's parking around back.
Go around. Why are you being a dick?
Why are you being a dick? You're the one parked in a bike lane. Go around. Go around. You can find a actual parking spot. How about that? Blah, blah, blah. No one cares about bike safety. Don't you love that?
Their inattentiveness, it's a dent in their car. It's my life.
What?
You know nobody's gonna do anything to my car, right?
They could.
But they're not going to. So you're wasting your time when you can literally go.
You're wasting my time.
You're wasting your own time because I'm moving my house in and I want to be parked.
So what makes you think that you're allowed to park in a bike lane? No, you can't. You literally can't.
Can you just like go ride your bike? Like,
I'm moving my house.
It's not fine.
why is it fun?
Because this is how cyclists get killed. 13 cyclists have already been killed in Seattle alone this year. In Chicago, 2 weeks ago, somebody went around, somebody parked in a bike lane, killed their 3-year-old kid.
Yes, I hear that.
Because he's about to go into traffic.
You can go right here. I'm not gonna go that way.
How do you know? I wouldn't do this, but somebody could smack your mirror.
You know how to find a way to get around here.
I shouldn't have to. That's the point.
I know. Well, you could argue that the street is designed poorly so that people.
How is this designed poorly? It is clearly marked. It is clearly marked.
Sir, if you lived here and you had.
I would park around back where I know there's parking.
Okay.
I know for a fact that there's parking back there.
That's great.
They have their own garage and everything.
Maybe next time she can do that.
Zero
Right
excuse.
now.
You know what she told me before I even said anything? I don't care.
Please go along with it. Like, you've made your point. She can park around back the next time. I'm gonna go to my engagement that I have, and I hope that you have a safe ride home.
I hope you have a great night.
Thank you. You're gonna go around, or you're gonna keep going?
No, I'll keep waiting.
You're gonna keep waiting?
Yeah.
Why?
Because this is bullshit, is what it is.
The street's designed for it. It's not like she's trying to personally.
How is it designed poorly? Traffic lane, streetcar lane, bike lane. It's not difficult.
Clearly moving shit into an apartment.
So what?
Here.
Is this a moving zone or a load and unload zone? No.
What is the point you're making by Endangering?
That cars should not park in bike lanes. And it's not a big deal.
I think you made your.
Look, now he has to go around. He's in oncoming traffic. There's a car coming up. Drivers are on their phone all the time and aren't paying attention.
What?
Well, thank you for your concern. There is parking in the back.
There's nowhere for me to move my house in the back.
That's too bad.
Well, no, it's too bad.
That's
because
not an
you're
excuse.
standing here,
That is
and the man
zero
that's just riding his bike,
excuse.
He went around.
Into
And the dude that was
oncoming
riding his
traffic.
scooter, he went around.
Into
Sure did.
oncoming traffic.
Sure did.
I'm just stating facts, okay? You're the one yelling and telling me you don't care.
She's trying to take care of her life, and you're
in the wrong way, in ways that endanger other people. That's my point.
She clearly has heard you. Like,
I
if you stayed your change.
I know what you mean. I know what you mean, but
Like,
clearly
which
not.
means it's your stubbornness. It's not. You're not making your point any better by making her feel bad or by continuing to yell at her. You know. You're
Gotta do something. Seattle police don't do shit. So it's up to us to speak up. It's up to us to speak up.
You made your point. You clearly communicated it to her. I don't understand why you continuing to yell at her is making a difference. And it's honestly rude.
It's what?
It's rude. I would hope.
I don't care. This is rude. This is really, really fucking rude. I'm sorry, I'm not yelling at you. But
I think that
this is how much it
take the high road
this is how much it
and
matters.
say, wow, I'm really sorry that you don't have an easier way to move into your apartment. I hope you have.
But I know for a fact that that's not true, and frankly, that doesn't matter.
But it does matter. Because people need to have islands.
Where in the
to walk
municipal
down the
code does
street.
it say that
There
you
is
can?
no place for somebody to stop and drop me off in front of my apartment.
Then they should take it up with the city.
They should, right?
Yeah,
People
I encourage it.
love
I encourage it. I take
People
stuff up with the city all the
but
time.
People need sometimes to like double park to get their shit done.
No, they don't.
Yeah,
I've been a rideshare driver and a delivery driver for 7 years. I know for a fact that you don't have to.
That's great.
Guess
I'm
what?
glad that
Sometimes you
can
gotta
make it
walk.
without it.
Sometimes you gotta walk.
Sometimes you gotta walk. Some people
But
have different priorities.
It's the entitlement that's bullshit.
What is the difference that you're making?
I'm highlighting a problem.
You have highlighted it.
Well, I'm currently reporting to Bike Lane Uprising, to the city, etc., etc. Because I'm not the only one that speaks out about this shit. All over the country, look up Bike Lane Uprising. People are taking charge, and they're sick of this bullshit, this entitlement,
I know.
because it gets people hurt and killed.
I understand. Biking's important. Having safe bike lanes is important. But
And this is a big fuck you to that.
I hear that.
And it's a problem.
It is a problem.
Yeah.
I think that the street could be designed better. Because I don't know if there's entrances.
I mean,
to
they
the
could put
building.
giant curbs here.
They could do that.
I would very much like that.
But I think it's the street's problem and the city's problem. I don't think it's this individual person's problem. Like they could have made.
But they're contributing to it.
Sure, but I think the reason they have to do that is because it's not. Designed.
They don't have to do it.
It's not designed.
They're
It's not. I just think blaming these individual people and antagonizing these individual people is not making.
why wouldn't it make a difference?
Because you're just making them upset with you. You're not making them.
Good.
But are they gonna
because it's a
respect
problem.
bikers more if the last time they talked to a bicyclist, they were just yelled at for 20 minutes? I wouldn't, especially if I wasn't a bicyclist. I would say, fuck
That's up to them. That's up to them.
But you're not being.
Sorry, I wasted your time
For what?
just for me to watch me move my house in. That's what you
I'm just trying to tell you.
You can't tell me nothing.
Actually, I can.
You can't.
I could pull up the RCWs. Yep. I've already got you on film. I've got you on camera.
I hope you have a good night, dude.
Hey, you too. I'm sorry you felt that you needed to stay here,
I
and
didn't think it was just the way that you were yelling. I didn't think that was appropriate.
I think it is.
And that's where we disagree, and that's why I stood here and talked to you.
Trust me, other bikers are not going to be as nice as I am. I talk sternly, and I raise my voice,
And I think sometimes
but I'm not gonna hurt anyone. I'm not gonna call people names or damage anybody's things. But other bikers will come by, bam on your window, possibly busting windows. Thanks for blocking the bike lane, asshole.
Move your fucking car.
That's right. And knocking mirrors off. I've seen them do it all the time.
Sure.
That's not me. I'm just going to use my voice and say this is not okay.
And spend 10 minutes of your evening and mine and hers in an uncomfortable conversation.
That was my choice. That was your choice?
not her
That was her,
choice.
and that was her
It
choice.
was not her choice.
Yeah, it was.
literally
She parked
moved her
here.
apartment.
She chose to park here.
I'm
You see what I mean?
I'm late. I'm gonna go
Okay.
to my
I'm not holding you here.
This is frustrating.
Oh, look, you found parking over there. Good job. That wasn't hard. Blah, blah, blah.